Then we can find out once and for all why he collected these objects and whether or not he stole all of them.
Find out once and for all!
Do you guys hear that?
It sounds really weird.
The sounds keep on changing.
The sounds are coming from inside the house.
What if this isn't the house of a thief?
But a haunted house instead?
It's not haunted. It's just a bird.
So the bird was making all those strange sounds?
In order to trick us, the bird must be the thief.
A thief? I'm no thief. I'm a bowerbird.
Apparently, the strange bird was called a bowerbird. Fess up. Where did you get all these objects from?
They were just lying around, so I collected them. I need them to attract the ladies.
Apparently, male bowerbirds decorate their houses with colorful objects in order to attract female bowerbirds. Once a male attracts a female, they would mate. And we uncovered more.
But why are the objects over here all red?
Because I only collect things that are red. Red, where are you?
Ah! You can't take my nose! Apparently, every bowerbird had different things they liked to collect.
This bowerbird likes to collect leaves in particular. And this one likes to collect berries.
And they had their own color preferences. Some even collected garbage. Ugh.
By the way, where did you find my camera?
Oh, I found it under a tree, so I took it.
Under a tree?
Molly, come and eat!
Time to eat? Sorry, my bad.
The bowerbird is still busy collecting objects. And he's still making different sounds to find a mate.
Phew, I think the coast is clear.
If it wasn't the chicken, that means it was some other bird.
I decided to put more pine nuts out as bait. I'm positive the culprit will come back to eat them.
Baba! Are these more pine nuts that you've hidden for yourself?
Baba, why you? Grady Pants!
Yeah. Well, you see...
No.
Anyway, just wait till I catch the culprit. He'll be sorry. Oh.
Someone's here. The culprit was that bird.
Its footprints are a match.
How dare you steal my pine nuts? You're gonna get it, you thief!
Oh my. I thought they were left behind. They didn't have any name on it.
She's right. You should have put your name on it.
Oh, it slipped my mind. Anyway, why are you eating my pine nuts instead of picking berries or something?
You see, it's hard to find berries in winter, and food is scarce, so... Oh, so you ate them because you were hungry.
Okay, but... Anyway, you still shouldn't eat things without asking first.
I know, but small birds like me need to keep eating during the winter, or else we'll die from the cold. Freezing cold and hungry, that's terrible!
Papa, Mr. Greedy Pants, I hope you're ashamed.
No, I was going to share them anyway. Hey, Birdie, go ahead and eat. Eat up, little guy.
In the end, Baba decided to share his pine nuts with the nuthatch. And many other birds as well.
We examined the footprints of all the critters who live near here, but none of them make the same long footprints like our culprit.
Oh, and none of them went hunting last night.
If that's the case, then where did the guy who made this long trail of footprints go?
Did he fly into the sky?
Did he go underground?
Hold on. The trail seems to end here. And then, not a footprint to be found. That means he definitely didn't go anywhere else. Aha! That's it! I know! He's hiding underground. Let's dig the area around the end of the trail.
Okay!
Who woke me up? I was sleeping.
We finally found the culprit. It was the big-headed ground beetle that burrowed under the sand during the day.
I sleep during the day and hunt at night. So until night falls, I ask you all to be quiet. Shh.
The long trail of footprints in the sand was made by none other than the big-headed ground beetle.
Everyone calls me the night hunter, but I usually eat insects that are already dead. With my large jaws, I can eat huge insects that are much bigger than me.
He's like a night janitor that clears away dead insects.
So, it wasn't a monster with wheels after all.
And it definitely wasn't a ghost. Right, Baba? Huh?
Baba, I told you to quit fooling around.
Once again, together with the big-headed ground beetle, we stayed up all night on the sand.
The raccoon also told me that besides its legs, it had a tail too.
What? It had a tail too? So it has 4 legs and a tail, and it lays eggs in the ground. Got it! An alligator! Hey, alligator! You laid eggs in the forest and ran, didn't you?
What are you talking about? We alligators build nests by rivers and lay eggs in the nests.
You're lying! Just last night you went to the forest and laid eggs!
I said they're not my
The owl saw who laid the eggs too. It didn't have legs or a tail. It was just round in shape.
What? No legs and no tail either. It's just round in shape? But the raccoon said it had 4 legs and a tail.
Yeah, the raccoon was being chased by the owl last night, and he's positive that he saw the mother.
But the owl said the mother was just round in shape?
The owl was chasing the raccoon last night, and he's positive that he saw the mother.
Then which one of them is right? Does it have 4 legs and a tail? Or is it just round like a sphere? I got it! I know who laid those eggs! I was positive that the one who laid the eggs was the turtle. But the turtle had already left the river and was far away. So we decided to care for the eggs ourselves. A few months later, the eggs hatched, and out came little baby turtles. My hypothesis was correct.
Let's have breakfast first.
Bubba, get away from there. The eggs are right under you. The eggs.
Eggs? Are we having eggs for breakfast?
I like my sunny side up.
No, that's not it. That's the site of our investigation today.
Ah, investigation?
Come on, move it.
Brother. I bet the bird who laid these eggs is somewhere nearby here. I know. In the tree!
Oh, found her! Hey, Mrs. Earlybird, did you lay those eggs in the ground?
Oh my, of course not. My eggs are right here in my nest. See, look. My feathered friends lay our eggs in our nests.
Oh, okay.
I must find the eggs' mother and keep them safe. Oh, my arms are killing me. Baba, are you done investigating?
Hey, Pete! The raccoon saw her. He saw who laid the eggs.
What? Who was it?
Ow. Ow.
The raccoon said she had 4 legs.
She had 4 legs? Well then, it couldn't have been a bird. It has 4 legs, and it lays eggs. That's it! It's a frog!
But the raccoon had one more thing to say!
Hey, when are we going to have breakfast?
It was you, wasn't it? You laid the eggs in the ground and ran!
Oh my goodness, frogs don't lay eggs in the ground. Why, pretty much everyone knows that frogs lay eggs in the water. Oh, there's even a song about it.
In a flowing stream, a little tadpole. Wiggle, wiggle, it swims along. Its hind leg comes out. If I'd only thought about it more, I would have figured out that a frog couldn't have laid those eggs.
Maybe you should do more research, great detective.
We might fall into the trap by accident, so be careful and watch your step.
Careful.
Oh, brother.
Careful.
Hey! Would you guys stop following me?
We're being careful.
Oh, brother, you're both impossible.
Oh, it's the trap pit.
Where? It's definitely big enough for ants to fall into. Apparently, the hole we found belonged to an earthworm. Fess up, you dug this trap to eat ants, didn't you?
Oh my, how horrible! Ants are not part of my diet. I eat dirt and leaves like this one here.
Dirt and leaves? Well then, why did you dig this trap?
Trap? This is just the hole in the ground that I came out of.
Really? We continued to search for any suspicious-looking holes that seemed like ant traps. Then suddenly...
Whoa! Something is pulling my leg! Hey, guys! I think I've stepped into a trap!
Oh, you just stepped in poo.
Habyo! There's not a hole on earth that can trap the amazing martial artist Bubba!
Bubba! Perhaps this is the ant trap we've been looking for. Let's check it out! Bubba!
Look over there!
This is top-notch digging work. Fess up. You dug this hole to trap ants, didn't you? Apparently, the hole we found belonged to a mole.
Trap? This is just a tunnel that I dug to look for food. And I prefer eating earthworms. But I wouldn't mind tasting something new.
The mystery is solved.